Happy morning, children. I hope you are safe and fine at home. Okay, children. Today's value is be kind to everyone. We have to be kind to everyone around us. Okay, children. Today we are going to learn new topic. My family. What we are going to learn? My family. Okay, children. What is my family? Members in our house is called as family. Who are there in our house are called as family. See, in my family they are me, my sister, and my father and mother. And how many members of your are there in your house? Yes, you will be there, and you have your father and you have your mother, isn't it? And some of the children have grandfather and grandmother. Okay, children, now I am going to tell you in detail about the family. Let us see here. What you see here? Now see here. Who is this? And who is this? And who are they? See here. This is our family tree. This is our family tree. See here. This is you and this is your sister. Okay. And this is your father and this is your mother. These people are in your house. Members in your house is called as family. See here, you will have your father, you will have your mother, and this is you and you have your sister. Isn't it? This is called family. Father, mother, and father, mother, children is the family. Who is this? Shall we write father? Spell with me. F A T H E R. Father. And who is this? Mother. Who is this? Mother. M O T H E R. Mother. This is father and this is mother. Father and mother with their two children is the family. See here, this is you. And this is your sister. See here, let us combine who are there in your family. Father, mother and the children is the family. This is called small family. See here, how many members are there? Father, mother, you and your sister. Father, mother and their children is called a small family. What is that? Small family. Father, mother with their children is called as small family. The children may be either 1 or 2 or 3. Children, father, mother and their own children is called as small family. This is called as small family. Small S M A L L. Small family. F A M I L Y. Small family. Father, mother and their children is called as small family. See here, this is you. You will have your father and you will have your mother. See here, the child is in your mother's. Okay, this is your sister. This is your father and this is your mother and this is you. Okay, children. And you will have your father. Your father also will have father and mother. Isn't it? Your father will also have father and mother. They are called as grandfather and grandmother. Paternal grandfather, paternal grandmother. This is from your father's side. See here, he is your father and she is your mother. And your mother also will have your father and mother, isn't it? He is called as grandfather to you and he is called as grandmother to you. He is called as grandfather and she is called as grandmother. They are called as maternal grandfather and maternal grandmother. See here, they are called as grandfather and grandmother. They are also called as grandfather and grandmother. grandmother. See here, what you are seeing here? This is called your grandfather will have one son and other son. See here, your grandfather will have one son as your father, and your grandfather will have another son also, right? He is called your uncle. Who is this? Uncle. Your grandfather will have your father, he is called as father, and your grandfather will have one son, another son, he is called as uncle. And uncle's wife is called auntie. You will have uncle and auntie. Uncle and auntie will have daughter and son. They are called as cousins. To you they are called as cousins. They are cousins to you. See here, shall we name them? Who is this? Who is this? This is you. This is you. This is you. And he is called your father. 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 She is your mother. 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 This girl have father and mother, and she have one child in her hand, isn't it? She is your sister. Who is this? Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Father, mother and sister. Father will have this father and mother. They are called as maternal, paternal, grandfather and grandmother. Shall we read grandfather? G-R-A-N-D. Grandfather. F-A-T-H-E-R. Grandfather. She is called as grandmother. G-R-A-N-D. Grandmother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Grandmother. He is your grandfather. She is your grandmother. You have two grandfather and two grandmother. One grandfather and grandmother. Another grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather and grandmother. See here, and then who are they? Who are they? Your uncle and your auntie. Our grandfather's son. See here, your father's brother. He is your uncle and uncle's wife is your auntie. He is your uncle. And she is your auntie. See here, then your uncle and auntie will have kids, isn't it? They are called your cousins. They too are called your cousins. Then we have you and your father, mother, grandfather and grandmother, grandfather and grandmother, uncle, auntie and your cousins are totally in your house. It's called as large family. What is that? Large family. Name the family. Yes, large family. L-A-R-G-E. Large family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. This is called large family. See here. Once again I repeat. Father, mother and their children is called a small family. And father, mother, you, grandparents and uncle and auntie and their children is called as large family. I hope you understood small family and large family.
Now it's time for our activity. See here what you are seeing here, children. See here a child and her father and her mother. Father and mother with her child is called as small family. Father, mother and with the child is called as small family. The child may be either 1 or 2 or 3. That is called as small family. See here, what you are seeing here? Yes, we are seeing here many members in a house. See here, father, mother, and small children, and grandparents, grandfather, grandfather, and grandmother with their granddaughters, and father, mother, and cousins. All are here in a family. Many members in a house. That is called as large family. Now we are going to see what are the things we will do together with our family members. Yes, we will eat together with our family members. Father, mother, and children. We all like to eat together with our family, isn't it? Next, we will be together when there is a celebration. Yes, see here is a birthday celebration. Everyone will come to our birthday, isn't it? For a celebration, we will celebrate with our family members. Next, see here. We like to play together with our family, isn't it? Father is playing with the daughter and his son. See here, we will be together when we like to play. Next, see here, we like to go for a tour or occasion. We like to spend with our family members. Father, mother, and everyone like to be together during the occasion. Next, see here, we like to go with our family members for occasion or function held in other places. We like to go out with our family members. I hope you enjoyed and understood this activity.
I hope you understood my family, and this is for your home assignment time. For your home assignment, you have to complete page number 22 and 24 in your general awareness text.